Hey everybody, how's it going? Daryl here, welcome to the channel. My friends over at Betopper have sent me a light that I've been wanting to try for a long time, and it is a moving head wash. It's more of like a moving bar wash. So it can pan, but it cannot tilt. And so you can create some really cool effects with this. It has these really tight beams. You can do like this really cool laser effect to like entrap the audience. And so this model is called the L1015, and you can pick this up from Betopper direct to get the best price. I'll have a link in the description below. When I was looking at this on social media, I wasn't quite expecting it to be this large and heavy, but it has pretty cool functionality, so I'm really excited to try it out. This has 10 15-watt LED diodes, and these are a very narrow beam degree angle. It creates a really cool aerial effect when you're able to use haze. And each of these diodes is capable of producing red, blue, green, and white. So you can do some pretty cool color mixing with that. Now this light is pretty big. It is 14 pounds. It's 38 inches across, 7 inches tall, and 3 inches wide. It's almost like a normal light bar that's suspended in this motor chases thing. And there's a lot of heat sinks all around this LED part of it. And something they advertise is that it's a fanless operation. And so there's not a lot going on the sides. But right here you do have this Betopper branding. This is your 4-button LCD panel right here. Then on the back, this is the mounting hardware. And so it has power con in and out. And it has DMX in and out. Does this fit a DMX dongle? Yes, it does. It fits a wireless DMX dongle just fine. And also worth noting, it has these rubber feet. You can set this on a surface, just like that. So this light is fully pixel mappable, so you can control each of these LED diodes and you can do some fun chases. This has like an auto mode, a sound active mode, a manual mode, so you can set it in a specific scene. But you can also control this with DMX, and it has like smaller channel DMX. It has like a 7 and a 13 channel mode, as well as a 43 channel mode, which you control each of these diodes as well as the pan. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm excited to try it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and test this thing. For demo today, we'll have 2 of these, each on a gravity stand. Each of these are going to be on DMX, each with a wireless DMX dongle on the back. And I recommend using both of these with clamps. I'm just using this clamp here today. Here you go, enjoy. What do I think about this light bar? So I think that this effect is really cool, where you have like these tight beams and then you can kind of scan the crowd. So these beams are concentrated enough that you can see it in the air if you have some haze like I do now, but it's not gonna blind anybody. It's not as bright as a laser, which is nice. And if you don't have haze, I would probably steer clear from this effect. This isn't really like wash your crowd. At this stage in my career, I'm avoiding bringing lights that are kind of big and bulky and hard to set up, and this definitely fits into that category. I'm looking for things to streamline my setup, but I think for a lot of people out there, this is a really cool effect, and the price is really good, so you're getting a lot of value. And then being able to do the chases, that adds another cool effect. For bigger stages, I think that these are definitely a cool effect. So while I think the aerial effect looks really cool, I think that the output's a little bit confusing. It's like really jumbled up when you have like all 4 colors on. So I guess that's not a problem if you just have red or just blue or just white, but mixing all 4 yields results like that. And then yeah, you can see that color separation right there. But at the same time, the aerial effect, it mixes pretty smoothly. It looks pretty nice. Yeah, you don't buy this light for the projection output. You do it for the aerial effect. But yeah, overall, I feel like this light is pretty cool. I like programming light shows here at home. I'm hoping to slow down on the gear reviews so I can make some cool light shows, and I definitely plan on using this. Let me know your thoughts on this light down in the comments below, and please smash like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.